Hello everyone. In this video I'm going to teach you one of the like middle type of digital essay question, and you can easily do this type of question in your examination. So without wasting our time, let's get into the question. What is the perimeter of an equilateral triangle with an area of 289 root 3? So the question is very small and you can identify that we need to draw figure triangle, and in this figure we'll just note it as A, B. Please guys, you can neglect my handwriting because I am doing in laptop, so hope you understand, or if you don't understand you can comment down below as well. So yeah, we have done, and for the equilateral triangle, all sides of the equilateral triangle must be equal, so we'll consider as x for this side. Okay, and yeah, all side are equals means whole side will be considered as x. Now we have the simple formula of an equilateral triangle, which is root 3 by 4 a square. So area of an equilateral triangle equals to, we'll directly write here as root 3 upon 4 x square. Okay, yeah, because we have considered x as side, so this is also known as side x. Okay, now what we will do here is, our area is given 289 root 3. We'll simply write here 289 root 3 equals to root 3 upon 4 x square. Now we'll cut this root 3 and root 3, and we'll multiply this 289 with 4 simply, and this x square, whenever the square goes on the other side, it will come as root, so we'll directly write here root, and therefore we'll take out the value of x. Okay, let me write, therefore x equals to root under 289 into 4 will be, I'll just calculate in my calculator, 289 into 4, which is 34. So we got here as our value x equals to 34. So this is not the answer. Okay, so our answer would be perimeter of an equilateral triangle. So again, after this we'll use the perimeter of an equilateral triangle now. Okay, now perimeter of an equilateral triangle equals to 3x. Okay, so 3 multiplied by 34 would be how much? Just calculate yourself, and that would be your answer. So here it will be 102. 102 will be our perimeter of an equilateral triangle of this question. So hope you guys like this process, and please if you have any question then you can comment down below, and thank you for watching this video.